gonna start the raffle for break 71. Did a few hours ago. So we have Ken Hammer, David Coates, Shane, Nixley, which is actually pronounced some other way. Nix saying something. Sorry about that, man. I can make a French accent if I like, but I need to know the name first. We got Kyle, Roy, 996633, Freddie Matthew, took a bunch of teams, and Jean-Francois, took also a bunch of teams. Just gonna put all that into. Hold up, we gotta take up last night's raffle breaks. You can put all these names into this box and mix it all up. Thank you, Leia. Alright. So we're gonna do the same as last night. If you're here for the vlog and I pick your name, you get to choose what lot you want. If you're not here, then you'll go in chronological order. Lot number 1 is actually kind of nice, so chronological order will be nice. We have Jeff Carter, Young Guns. Mark Strite, EA Ultimate Teams. And a 1950s Upper Deck Series 1, Johnny Busick. Pretty cool. Lot number 2 is an all rookie gems lot. 0910 Black Diamond, Michael Sauer, Triple Diamond. Byron Bitts, Triple Diamond. And Lindback, Triple Diamond. That's from 1011. And lot number 3 is a jersey lot. We have Derek Brassard, jersey from 1011 Series 1, and Chris Drury. Alright. Good luck, guys. Our first person is Kyle. Alright, Kyle, you get lot number 1, chronological order. It's actually not a bad lot. Alright, number 2. I'm not looking, hope you guys can see that. Alright, we'll take this one right here. Ken Hammer. Alright, Ken Hammer. Is he here? Are you here, Ken? Ken, you here? Yes, no? He isn't? Alright, chronological order, I guess, then he gets lot number 2 of the rookie gems. So lot number 3, this is for lot number 3. It's for the jersey card lot, guys. Good luck. Alright, we have Shane. Congrats, buddy. I'll add that to your big pile of cards you got. Alright, we'll end the video here for the raffle and continue it for the box break.